In this video, I will show you how to set auto reply on Outlook. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Here we are. As you can see, I've currently got Outlook open. Now, the auto reply feature is very useful if you're away from office. Say, for example, you're on holiday and you can't access your emails, then the auto reply is going to send an automated reply to any emails you get through. To get started, what you want to do is, of course, open up Outlook and log into your account. Then come up to the top right hand corner and click onto this gear icon to go into your settings. And then what you want to do is come across to the left hand side and you're going to see an option for automatic replies. So just give that a click. What you can then do is go ahead and turn the switch on to turn automatic replies on. And you can choose the start time and the end time for this automatic reply if you want to. So you can tick the box here and choose when to turn this on and off, or you can just turn it on and off manually just by turning the switch on and off, just like so. All you need to do is simply come down and type your message down here. Once you've done that, just simply click onto the save button to apply your changes. So that is how to set auto reply on Outlook. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.